Escalated. The babe. The Jeremy. Oof, look at this car. Are there new wheels, Jeremy?
I can't open my trunk.
Oh my god, Jeremy, not like that. You can't push this.
Do it too.
I know something is pushing in.
Me too.
Yeah, that's one.
Mike did not.
Maybe the other way, like a key, like you hold it and then push up, like this, like that, and then push up. Okay, I have no
tried all
clue.
these combinations.
I have actually no clue how to.
Go to right here.
Yeah, bro.
And then we can just
I do want to see the inside of your car, Jeremy. Jeremy, just for the vlog, you gotta let me go in front seat.
literally
That's nice. Even though it's like 1989 and we were not born, it's so nice.
1998.
Were you born?
I'm born in 99.
So this car's 1 year older than you.
Wow, where's the freaking thing for the
Pool?
yeah?
Jesus Christ. There's nothing.
Where's the
Gee, it's nice. Oh, there's no BMW sign in the.
Yeah, he's got a new steering wheel though.
Oh.
Yeah, it's in the.
Oh, you got a new steering wheel, Jeremy?
Yeah.
Well, open it.
Jesus Christ.
I did.
That's all my.
Well, Jeremy can't really figure out how to open his own trunk.
Jesus, all the parts are in there. And my flip flop. Alright,
Your broken Adidas. Wait, Jeremy, let me go front seat. Jeremy.
Can I drive your car then?
Oh no, I just literally just want like a ride test. Ugh.
Waste my time, dog.
Jeremy, a ride test for the vlog, right?
Just ride for the vlog.
You gotta say hi to my vloggy, Jeremy. Hey vloggy, what's going on, guys?
Are y'all getting in?
How? There's literally, Jeremy, there's no thing or no button. Griffin, there's literally no button.
I don't fuck with you guys. You disrespect
Jim, put the music down. I gotta record it. I'm gonna copyright. Get in.
Oh yeah, that's a good shit.
You know, if he was like, hey, get in, and this was the
Yeah, I'm not trying to get copyright.
F you. Yeah, it's just kind of like. We're going to breakfast.
Jeremy, no, my bag's right there. I just literally just go like that, a circle. I just want to say I drive this by Jeremy Miller.
And who's getting in front, Justin?
Stereo in here.
Yes. Jeremy with his new car.
Just get your system put in the back.
Yes. It looks like I have drugs in that bag.
That's all Mateo wanted.
Yeah.
That's what people want.
Bye, Jeremy.
Are you gonna go to breakfast with us?
No.
Why?
Because he has to go to work. And I'm going to the gym.